I have dollar weed growing in my yard. How can it be dealt with? Thanks. This is Lanny from Newport, North Carolina. Well, Lanny, dollar weed is a perennial summer weed.
Yes.
It has the umbrella type leaf, waxy leaf.
Yeah.
Culturally, this is what you have to do. It likes areas that are poorly drained. So you have to correct your drainage.
That's right.
Right? Fertilize according to a soil test, water appropriately. Right?
And also, you know, to put some shade on the surface, you can mow the grass a little bit higher in there and try to create some shade.
Look at you, you sure can. You can definitely do that. If you want to use a chemical, there are some out there that you can use, right? And this, of course, is going to be in her lawn.
Yeah.
These are going to be broadleaf weed killers, selective herbicide, which will release the grasses, three-way herbicide, 2,4-D, MCPP, dicamba.
Yeah.
Read and follow the label on that. You should be fine. But what I would do is correct the drainage.
Yes,
right?
definitely.
Dense stand of grass in that area to crowd out your dollar weed. Or pennywort is another name for that, because it will come back. It's a perennial weed.
Any
it
little
goes by
tiny
rhizomes.
root that's left will come back.
It will come back, yeah. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.